apat ng gulong diyan. Ito pa naman yung gustong gusto ko, oh. May sasakyan sa harapan. I was gonna pass them, yeah. There we go. Go, 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 go. Go. You guys go first, go. 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 Come on.
Ronnie leading.
You wanna go?
Sure.
Go first, go. Go, 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 go.
There's a bullet. Oh, I see.
Oh, man.
Man, it's cold. Oh, it's getting colder now. Try it, press. Tacoma.
It's over here. Careful, Sandy.
Press Christmas tree, oh. Kasama ko sa ride at chill ride lang yung biyahe.
Yung point ko mag-shift. Kaya gaya ni Ashley, ang bilis mag-ano eh. Oh, ito yung one of my favorite na pupuntang pinangyahan.
Naglip na si Kumparat. Bakbahi.
Tigas-tigas ng kamay ko eh, puti. Mauna na kayo para ano, maglalaro lang ako eh. Ready to be comfortable. Ready to be comfortable.
Enjoy the view.
That's
Such a nice
oh.
view.
Tigas ng kamay.
Di ba yan pinamasahe ni Mrs.? Walang yan. Lagi na lang nakatikip.
Masakit ang kamay mamaya.
Di ba pinamasahe?
Sakay daw sa bakay. Sakay daw sa kataw.
Wala sabihin ni Mrs. Buti pa yung braso naninigas.
Yung sa baba, wala na. Parang may tela sa harapan pala. Good. Right.
English version sa nanapat ni understand.
Tigas ng katawan. Pucha. Ito yung ano eh. Pinakaayaw ko eh. Pinakagusto pa lang.
Yung epekto ng basketball eh.
Oh.
May basketball nga ngayon eh. Hindi ako napunta eh. Tinawagan ako. Eh, magra-ride ako. Sabi ko, mas importante si Bro Ashley saka si Bro Ed.
Ha?
Baka sa buhay nyo, sabi ko.
Tumitigas talaga yung ano, daliri sa pagbabasketball.
Where's the lake?
2 more
The
miles.
lake has a lake. My favorite ni Ashley eh. Patrick, where's the lake?
2 more miles.
Oh, is it?
Let me lead actually.
I don't think I've ever been there before. Ang sarap naman ng view dito.
Right now, let me get in front of you.
Go. Baka malapit na tayo, di ba?
Rodmack, let me get in front. Rodmack, let me get in front.
Rod,
There's
camping tayo dito oh. Tara mag-camping dito.
There.
You guys go first, you guys bye. I'm just gonna play.
I'm just trying to find a place to park.
Until I get comfortable.
Ini-drag mo nga yan, ano, bro? Yung bolt mo.
Where we stopping? We're gonna continue, right?
Yeah, we're gonna stop at the actual lake. So there's
Stevenson Creek?
Yeah.
To the lake.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go take a
We're
look.
just nearby, right?
I don't think I've ever been to this place before.
Oh, there's a gas
What a
here.
view.
Ay, gusto ko mag-reserve ka na.
Ah, ganda dito.
Mag-reserve. Oh, mag-reserve ka na.
Tabi lang tayo sa lake.
Yeah.
May lake.
Reserve.
Ito,
Here.
Camp Edison.
Oh, no. Not here. Camp Edison. Oh, there's a museum in there.
Mas maganda pala ng group site para ano, kung mayroong magsasama.
We need to plan.
Ah,
We need to plan. Or just reserve it and whatever day, I'm gonna make a vacation.
Auto camping.
Yeah, let's go. Let's make a plan.
Almost there.
Hey, probably next ride, JR gonna buy a MT-09 one. But
There's a very bad time here.
we're gonna share a lake. Oh,
This is good. This is like right here.
oh,
This is
yeah.
like
Tacoma.
nice.
Oh shit, there's a lot of people here.
Yeah.
yeah, so we're here, guys.
This is the parking lot right here on the right. Oh, nobody's here.
We're stopping right here.
Yeah.
Star Wars was
Give you-
filming here.
Oh, okay.
Rock.
Wow. What a beautiful place. Let's go over there.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, right here. We're parking right here.
Where?
Like,
Oh shit.
He's going.
Just gonna relax my hand. Oh, I gotta go over there. Ah.
There's
Ah.
no view of lake there.